Hello everyone, this is Abhishek, the founder and resource person of the Physio Classroom channel and instructor of the PRRT Manual Therapy course. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that the PRRT USA has recently launched the PRRT Manual Therapy programs, which can now be learned at the comfort of your home. Yes, now you can learn PRRT therapy, the basic, level 1 and level 2 modules at your home at your own comfortable pace, and that too under the guidance of PRRT USA and me. And you will be provided all the materials, that is the video demonstrations of all the PRRT techniques up to the level 2 with appropriate instructions and guidance. And you can also email us or contact me on WhatsApp to clarify your doubts. And to add on to that, you will also be eligible to learn these techniques in live seminars whenever they happen in India at no extra cost. Yes, so once you have enrolled in the home study programs for basic level 1 and level 2, which we call as the fast start and jump start bundles, you will be eligible to attend the live seminar when I am going to take that in India at no extra cost. So what you are waiting for? Join the program now and become more able and find the confidence to assess and treat even the more complex and chronic pain patients. PRRT therapy program will enable you to improve your manual therapy skills, and you will be able to find it more easy to identify the actual problem and solve it to give instant results in pain patients. And as we say in PRRT, get better in 4 or schedule no more. Yes, so that's what is the statement by the founder of PRRT, John Iams, who often has this printed in his template when he used to practice in the clinic: feel better in 4 or schedule no more. And that's the confidence we are going to give to the healthcare professionals and physiotherapy practitioners after they complete the PRRT programs. And if you would like to know more about the PRRT practitioner program and PRRT therapy, do email PRRT USA at support@theprrt.com. And you can also attend the PRRT free preview course by emailing your request to PRRT USA. For any more inquiries related to the seminar, or if you would like to know more about the PRRT therapy, you can also WhatsApp me or my team on the given number. So see you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.